Hey everybody, hope everything's fine. Today my video is about, is there any Halo games for Android or not? Okay, so let's start searching for it. Open any browser. Okay, let's clear this. I recommend you use your browser because it's fast and easy to work. Google and now, okay, Google it, download Halo games for Android. Oh, sorry, I forgot to open the name. Fuck. Sorry for refresh. Halo 3 for Android app free download version. As you can see here, it's a fake one. Okay, I didn't go to Halo 4 games, Android game, funky. Sounds like monkey. Okay, so here's the app. 1.53 MB. The fuck is this, man? 1.53. Okay, so let's download it. Download game. Okay, Halo 4. Downloading. Come on, man, you can do it. Go. Oh shit. So, Halo 4 games, baby. I don't know if it's fake or not, but I think it should be good. Open it. Okay, so let's start. The fuck? It's not Halo. What the fuck is this about? It's about hint. It's about the differences between two pictures. The fuck? I just wasted my 1 MB. So it proves that there's no Halo games for Android, and there are many videos in YouTube about Halo games, and I think they all are fake. Okay, so be aware of it. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you'll enjoy it. Peace out.